Selling anything online can be a very effective way to reach a large audience and increase sales. Here are some general steps to follow to successfully sell anything online. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Identify your target audience. Before you start selling anything online, you need to know who your target audience is. Identify the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers to help tailor your marketing and sales approach. Choose the right platform. Selecting the right platform to sell your products on is crucial. Some popular options include Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Create a high-quality product listing. Your product listing is your chance to showcase your product and convince customers to buy it. Make sure your listing is detailed, accurate, and visually appealing. Offer competitive pricing. Pricing is a critical factor in making sales online. Make sure to research your competition and offer a fair price for your product. Use high-quality images and videos. Visuals are crucial in selling products online. Make sure to use high-quality images and videos that show off your product from different angles. Provide excellent customer service. Good customer service can help build a loyal customer base. Respond to customer inquiries and concerns quickly and professionally. Market your products. Use various marketing strategies to promote your products, such as social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of selling anything online successfully. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.